अच्छा, so in maths we have to learn total. अच्छा, this was your 7th class book, right?
Yes.
Okay. In this there were total 7 chapters, right? I think this
Yes.
was core maths, no? This is not extended maths, right?
No, I don't think so.
I think as here there are only 7 chapters, so I think it's only core maths. Okay. As here in the first chapter, it was primes highest common factor, that is HCF, then lowest common multiple, that is LCM, right? In the second chapter, we have to learn about integers, rational numbers, and real numbers. है ना? After that, we have to learn approximation and estimation, right? Then basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. Then in fifth chapter, we have to learn about linear equations. In sixth, linear function and graphs. In seventh, number pattern. है ना? Okay. So all this chapter you have already learnt in seventh, right?
Yeah.
So in which chapter you have mainly doubt, or you want to continue with the first chapter so that your basic will become more clear? Which one will be better?
Okay.
You want to continue with the first chapter, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So as here first chapter, we have to know about the basic numbers, right? Or about the numbers, introduction of number, you can say, है ना? So we will start from basic, okay?
Okay.
Just wait a minute. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Everything is okay? Okay. So let's see here. We will start with numbers, okay? Introduction of number. So just tell me, what do you know about number? What do you know about number? Yes,
A number is a digit that is used for counting.
used for counting, right? Or we can also
Counting.
say that na, कि number are just symbols. They are symbols, right?
Symbols.
Which we use for counting, right? As an example, this is
Yes.
this is this is called as this one.
One.
1, right? This one, this is, yes, tell me. You can see my screen, na?
Which? Two.
The second one. Yes, 2,
Yes,
okay.
yes. It's lagging a
And
little bit, but yeah.
oh, okay. And this one, yes, tell me.
Three.
3, है ना? And it will continue like this, right?
Three.
Yeah. So as here, same as in English, we learn alphabets, letters. They are also symbols. In Hindi, we learn Varnmala, है ना? Do you learn Hindi?
No.
Oh, you have no any subject as Hindi, na? So
No.
in language, how many languages you learn in your school?
I learned French and English.
Oh, French and English. So I think French is your first language and English is second, no?
No. English
Huh.
is first language. French is
Oh, French is the second language. Okay, okay, no problem. So in French, you also see the letters of French letters, है ना? Right?
Yeah.
So they are also symbols, right?
Yes.
है ना? Like as an example, in
Yeah.
English we write like this and called as A, है ना? So this is also symbol, right? We write like this and called it as B, right? So in the same way,
Yes.
in maths, these are the symbols, okay? And they are named as 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, okay? Is it clear? So mainly we can say that ki numbers are just symbols which are used
Yes.
for counting. Okay, that's all. This is the basic introduction of number. Okay. Now let's come in maths. We mainly learn the two different types of number. What are they? Yes, tell me.
Rational and irrational.
No, not this. The first one is Hindu Arabic number, right? Hindu Arabic,
Hindu Arabic.
हाँ, numerals you can say, है ना? Okay. And the second one is Roman numerals. Do you know na? Do you know about these two things? Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numeral?
Yes.
Yeah. Hindu Arabic number or numerals, how many digits? How many digits?
Yes, I know.
Huh. So how many digits are in Hindu Arabic numerals? Yes, tell me. How many digits in Hindu Arabic numeral? Yes,
There
Hana?
are infinite.
No. Infinite. There are infinity numbers, but
There's a lot. There's
yeah, tell me. Please continue.
there's a lot of numbers, but it's written in different ways. One to 9.
Yes, 1 to 9, है ना? But here you are missing one more digit. 1 to 9, there are 9
Zero.
digits. 0, yes. So including 0 to 9, how many digits? How many digits?
10.
10 digits, okay?
10.
So in Hindu Arabic numerals, there are 10 digits. How many digits? There are
10.
10 digits, okay? Is it clear? So we can say that ki in Hindu Arabic numerals, there are 10 digits, okay? Now can you tell me what are they? So they are 0. Yes, tell me. 1.
0, 1,
Huh?
2, 3,
Yes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8 and 9. That's all right. So according to Hindu Arabic numerals, there are 10 digits. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Is it clear? So now you can tell me na ki Hindu Arabic numerals, in Hindu Arabic numerals how many digits?
10 digits.
10 digits. What are they? 0 to
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, है ना, till 9. So we can say that na कि in Hindu Arabic numeral digit starts from the digits only. I am talking about only digits, not number. Acha, are you writing right now?
No, I'm writing what you're writing on the screen.
No, don't write now. Okay, I will give the separate time for writing. Okay, don't write now, है ना? You have to just be focused for now. Okay, I will give the separate time. Yes. So just tell me how. Yeah, is there any doubt till here? There are 10 digits in Hindu Arabic number. No, na. What are they? So we say कि 0 to 9. Okay. It's mean Hindu Arabic number starts from or sorry, Hindu Arabic digits. The digits in Hindu Arabic numerals start from
0.
0 and goes till
9.
9. Okay, so in Hindu Arabic number there are only these 10 digits. Okay, the number which you see or which you learnt till now, all those numbers are formed by using only these 10 digits. Okay, just like an example, tell me any two one digit number, any two one digit number, one by one. Okay, first tell me one digit number. Tell me any, as one digit number starts from 1, right, and goes till 9, है ना, one digit number.
Yeah.
Yeah, so tell me any one digit number. Yes, tell me.
4.
4. Okay, as one digit number you said 4, right? Two digit number, any two digit number. Two digit numbers start from, smallest two digit number is, yes Hana,
10.
10, and the largest two digit number is,
10.
largest two digit number
99.
99, right? Now three digit number, है ना, small,
99.
yes, three digit number, smallest three digit number, yes,
100.
100. Very good, है ना, or we will say 100. Okay,
100.
हाँ 100, and it will go till largest three digit number,
999.
999. Very good. Four digit number, smallest four digit number,
1000.
1000, है ना, it is 1000, and the largest four digit number is,
1000.
largest four digit number, yes,
9999.
हाँ very good, है ना, it will be 9999, right?
9999.
Yes, good, है ना, it will be 9999. Okay, so mainly I want to say that, or I want to explain that कि the any number which you will, which you see, okay, either it is a one digit number, two digit, three digit, four digit, five digit, six digit, seven, anything, any number, okay, all numbers are formed by using those 10 digits, okay, which we have learned in Arabic, Hindu Arabic numerals, okay, that is 0 to 9, है ना, okay, is it clear? As an example, you can see here, just like 2345, how many digits are here, how many digits, 2345.
Oh, 2000.
Yes, 2345. How many digits are there?
2000.
I said, Hana, how many digits?
2000.
No. I said how many digits are here? This
1.
number is formed by using how many digits? This is the first digit, 5, 4, 3, and 2. So there are 4 digits, na?
Digit.
This is 4 digit number, right? We can say, na?
4 digits.
Yes, this is 4 digit number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now see one by
Your
one
voice
each
is
digit.
breaking.
Hello, am I audible? Hello, Hana.
Hello.
Yes, Hana, am I audible?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now is it clear? Yes, so this is okay now. Yeah, this is okay, Hana. Yeah, okay. So let's see here. We were learning numbers, right? We were learning numbers, है ना? As we learned, number is just a symbol, है ना? And we saw there are mainly two different types of numbers. The first one is Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals, and the second one is Roman numeral, right? है ना? Right? In Hindu Arabic numerals, how many digits? How many digits are in Hindu Arabic numerals? 10. There are, we can say there are 10 digits in Hindu Arabic numerals, right? They are
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and I said कि any number which you see, all numbers are formed with the help of these 10 digits, right? Hindu Arabic numerals, the digit in Hindu Arabic numerals start from 0 and goes till 9, है ना? So as I took an example, that was I think 2, 3, 4, 5, है ना? This is 2345. The board is clear now?
Yeah.
The board is clear? Okay. So this is 2345. How many digits you can see in this number? How many digits? There are 4 digits. There are 4 digits, है ना? What are they? What are they?
2, 3, 4, and 5.
2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good, है ना? See, 2 is already here. Now 3, 4 and 5, है ना? So as you can see, this 4 digit number is formed with the help of these the 4 digit number among these 10 digit numbers, right? Is it clear? Similarly, you can take one more example as here 106987. Now read it. It will be 1 lakh. Tell me. 1 lakh
1,06,987.
87. How many digits are here? How many digits?
3, 4, 6.
6 digit. Yes, there are 6 digits here. Okay, or we can say that this number is of 6 digit number, right? Now let's see here. 1, here it is, right? 0, see, then 6, 9, 8 and 7, right? So as you can see, this 6 digit number is formed with the help of these 6 digit among these 10 digits, right? Is it clear? Clear now? So any number which you see in Hindu Arabic numerals, all numbers are formed with the help of these 10 digit numbers. Okay, is it clear? Now in Roman numerals, now come to in Roman numerals. So in Roman numerals mainly we will see 7 digits, है ना? In Roman numerals there are 7 digits. With the help of these 7 digits we make Roman numbers, right? And I think you have already learned about the Roman numerals. So as an example, 1 is represent like this, then 5, 10, है ना? Like this 50, 100, 500 and 1000, right? That is CDM, these things, okay? L50, Okay, so in Roman, when we will learn Roman number in detail, we will learn this thing. Okay, just I give here a small introduction about it so that you can differentiate these two different numerals. Okay, is it clear? Now for now our focus will be on Hindu Arabic numerals. Is it clear? So this is the basic introduction about the numbers. In numbers we saw the basic introduction of Hindu Arabic numerals. Is it clear? So now first of all note down it. After this we will continue it. Okay.
Yeah, I've noted it down.
But after this, while I will explain, at that time you have to note down. Okay, because you may escape some points, right? So that's why you have to just focus on the explanation. I will give the separate time for note down. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now let's see here. Do you know about counting numbers? About counting numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6, 7, 8, 9.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will continue till
Infinity.
infinity, है ना? Very good. Or we can say infinite, right? This is the sign of infinity, right? So mainly this is, or these are counting numbers, right? Counting numbers. There is one more name, the collection of, or we can say that in maths the set of, the collection of 1 2 3 4 5 6. The number starts from 1 and goes till infinity. The collection of, or this set will be known as, do you know it? It is known as
A set.
no, the set is the different thing. Okay, here I said ki the group of, or a set of number which consist 1 2 3. It starts from 1 and goes till infinity. So the mainly this group of number is known as, in maths, mainly this group of number which consist, the numbers start from 1 until goes infinity.
Counting number.
Yeah, you are right. This is counting numbers, but there is one more name. It starts from n.
And
Yes.
numerical.
No.
Um,
Try. Just try it. Uh, see. So these are mainly known as natural numbers. What are they?
natural.
Natural numbers. है ना? Okay. Natural numbers. So mainly we can say that कि natural numbers are the collection of, or the set of number which starts from 1 and goes till infinity, right? है ना? Is he your brother? What is his name?
Abdul.
Abdul. Hello Abdul. What are you doing?
He's playing on the iPad.
Oh, why he is not learning or study? Abdul. You are learning from 3 hours.
No, we
Oh.
went to summer camp for
Huh.
2 hours. Yeah.
Okay. Then just take a relax or a break for 10 minutes, Abdul. Okay. Using a phone, it may harm your eyes or mentally also. Okay, so that's why avoid to use the phone, avoid the use of phone. Okay, instead of this you can play with your cousins, siblings or friends, right? Okay.
Do you think they will play with me? They never play with me.
Oh, now acha, for now Hana is learning na, then how she will play with you?
Vishal खेल रहे हैं
Okay.
और मुझे तो बस रैंडम खेल रहा हूँ.
Okay, so just avoid the use of phone. mainly I want to say that ki you can, instead of using phone, you can just watch TV or other things, है ना, you can do other entertainment things, play games. Okay, mainly do physical work. Okay, Abdul, and focus on study. Okay, so all the best for your futures. Now Hana, let's see here. So these are the sets of, this set is mainly known as natural numbers, right? So we can say that ki natural number starts from, as you can see here, it starts from 1, right? It starts from 1. So here you can see 1 is the smallest number in this group, right? Hana?
Yes.
And this group is known as natural number, the group of natural number. So we can say that na, smallest natural number it will be 1. Very good, है ना, it will be 1. Okay, and sometimes suppose you forgot about the natural numbers, okay, then I have a trick how you can recall it. As here the word nature, है ना, natural, okay, link it with nature, the number which exists in your nature or in around your surroundings, right? Suppose as I am saying कि I have 2 marker, है ना, so you can see the 2 marker is existing in our surrounding, right? है ना. Suppose I am saying कि you have 1 pen, so that pen is existing, right? But as you can, if I will say कि I have 0 toffee, so is that toffee exist or not? That toffee is not existing, na? No, if it exists, then we have some toffees, 1 2 3, we can count it. But for now I am saying कि I have 0 toffee, it's mean the toffee is not existing for now, है ना. So that as 0 is not existing in our nature, है ना, the thing which is not existing, that is count as 0, right? That's why in this way you can remember it कि 0 will be not in the set of natural number, right? Or mainly the set of natural number are which exist in our nature, as 1 2 3 4 5 6, all numbers exist in our nature, right? I have 6 copies, it's mean all copies are existing, right? Is it clear? But when you have to write the definition in exam or anywhere, at that time you can say कि natural numbers are counting numbers. What you can say? Natural numbers are counting number. Is it clear? Clear na? Now as I told here कि smallest natural number is 1. Okay, let's see some more points. Okay, do you know about odd or even number?
Yes.
Odd or even number? Can you define it? The odd number?
Odd numbers are numbers which we cannot split equally. And even numbers are numbers which we can split even.
Yes, very good. Or we can also say that na कि the number which are not divisible by 2, or the number which are not the multiple of 2, those number are known as odd number, right? As an example, 1 3 5, it will go till infinity. Similarly in even number, what we can say? The number, as you said, the number which we can split equally, है ना, that those number will be known as even number. Okay, same. Or we can say that कि the numbers which are multiple of 2 or which can be divided by 2, right? So those number will be known as even number. Okay, can you tell me the example of even number? Yes.
44.
Okay, 44, but we will continue from the smallest even number. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be 2, then 2 4, है ना,
4,
6.
8.
Yes, it will continue till infinity. Okay, now let's see or come to our natural number. Okay, can you tell me smallest even natural number? Even natural number means the number which is even and also natural. The number 0. Okay, as you tell 0.
Even and natural.
Yes, it will be 2 है ना, not 0. Okay, because 0 is not a natural number na, right? अच्छा, tell me, 0 is an even number or odd number?
0 is even.
Or odd?
It's not. It's what?
Okay, yes, try it.
It's
0 is an even number or odd. This will be your homework. Okay, this will be your homework. You have to research on it by yourself, don't take the help from Google or ChatGPT or other things. Okay, you have to just research on it. Okay, is it clear? And this will be your homework. You have to tell me about this or explain me about this in the tomorrow's class. Okay, next class. So 0 is an even number or odd. Okay, now let's see here. Smallest even natural number means the number which is smallest even and it should be from the set of natural number. Okay, is it clear? Clear na? So now let's see here. First we have to go in the set of natural number. See, here is the set of natural number. Now let's see, the smallest number is 1. Is it odd or even? It is odd. So we can write it in smallest odd natural number, right?
Yeah.
है ना? So what it will be? Smallest odd natural number, it will be
Smallest odd natural number is 1.
1. Very good. After this, now let's see the second number. This is 2 and this is odd or even?
2 is even.
2 is even. As you can see here we got the first even number, right? It's mean this is the smallest even natural number, right? So here smallest even natural number will be, it will be
Smallest even natural number is 2.
2. It will be 2. Okay,
2.
now let's see here. I am summarizing it. Okay, natural number, for trick we can say that the numbers which exist in our surrounding, right? है ना? Or as a proper definition we can say that the numbers, counting numbers are known as natural number. That's all. It starts from 1 and goes till infinity. Okay, so smallest natural number will be
Smallest natural number is 1.
1. Can we find greatest natural number? No. Then what should be the answer? Greatest natural number? Infinity. Very good. Now smallest even number, it's mean we have to check in the set of natural number which number is the first even number. So as you can see here, 2 is the first even number in the set of natural number, right? है ना? So 2 will be the smallest even natural number. Instead of smallest, it should be also first. Okay, so at that time you should not be panic. Smallest even natural number 2, first even natural number, that will be also 2. Is it clear? Can you find greatest even natural number?
No.
No, it will be the answer will be
Infinity.
infinity again. Okay, now again smallest odd natural number. Now let's go to the set of natural number. The first odd number is 1. So our answer for smallest odd natural number will be
1.
If I will change this question like this, first odd natural number, then answer will be also 1, also 1, right? है ना? And if I will ask greatest odd natural number, then greatest odd natural infinity, right? So is there any doubt till here?
No.
No. Then please note down it. Okay.